Maybe regarding haircuts on Shavua Shechalbo. Shavua Shechalbo is next week. We start the week of. It's called the week of the. We speak about it. We'll also speak about that. Regarding the haircuts, no taking haircuts, shaving. The only thing that you could maybe do is if you need to. If your mustache is bothering you to eat, this is only 3 days. I don't know if your mustache can grow this fast, but if so, you're allowed to cut the mustache because if it bothers you eating. But besides that, no haircuts, no shaving this week. Forbidden in all the way. That's it. No, next week. Now, today, tomorrow is okay. Yes. Now, regarding laundry.
Ladies, please.
Okay, regarding because we have to feel the avelut, we have to feel and being orphans of losing the temple. So this thing that the rabbis instructed, one of the things are kibus, that's laundry. Laundry we have that you're not do laundry on the week of. You cannot do, and also the clothing that you cannot also wear clothing that was in laundry next week. So what are you supposed to do? Like what does a vel do? Someone that lost his parents, he has to wear it on him this week before we come to next week. Before we come to next week, you have to put on yourself even for 1 minute. You put on yourself. It's brought in the name of the name of the Shach. There's also the Bet Yaakov Yayish. He brings it. You put, and there's also brought the Chazon Ovadia. You put on yourself a clothes for 1 minute. All the clothes you want to wear next week, you put it on. What happens if you forget? If you forget, you could take the shirt and put it on the floor. Not in a way that you sweep before. Throw it on the floor. You're gonna make sure people pass over it if you can. You show you don't care about the clothes, and then you could take it from the floor and put it on you. That's to show that we're we're orphans from the Bet HaMikdash. That's regarding that. Now regarding towels, you're allowed to dry yourself with towels, new towels that were in the laundry. You don't have to make them stink or anything. Amen.